Oh my God, yes. My new Aelfric Eden hoodie just landed. Let's get into it. A ver qué tal. Oof. The softness. Instantly. The material. I love it. Look at this. Hoodie. Check it out. Super comfy, I can already tell. Look at the materials. The material, I love it. No complaints at all. Oof. The softness is instantly. Está bien suavecito. Super warm. Check this out. Basic but elevated. Solid color. Soft brush fleece inside. Relaxed streetwear fit. Ribbon cuffs and hem. Clean hood. No drawstrings clutter. I'm in love. I can't wait to try it on. So let's put it on. A ver qué tal. Mira nada más. I love it. And it's super soft. I love the material. Super nice and warm. Love the kangaroo pockets. Check it out. It's a hoodie. I love the material and it goes with anything really. Jeans. You can put on some shorts, a skirt. I love it. Super comfortable. It's stylish and it keeps you warm. So check it out. They have different colors. Order yours today.